Pastor Daron.
Yes, Arnie?
Oh, I'm getting pretty old these days and finding it harder to walk. I was wondering if you could make me a stick.
Make you a stick?
Yeah.
What about that?
Would that be hard?
What about a stick insect?
A stick insect?
Yeah.
Well, I couldn't walk with that, but that would be interesting, yes.
Okay, well, I'll make a stick insect.
Right.
What I need for this is one 360 balloon, and then a 160 balloon,
Yep.
and three 260 balloons.
Okay.
I'm going to take a 360 balloon, Arnie.
Yep.
I'm going to blow it all the way up. They have a bit of air in this one.
I reckon. Wouldn't want to blow that one up by mouth.
Soften it,
Yep.
tie it off.
Okay.
Okay, so there is the body of the stick insect.
Right.
Want to hold it for me?
I'll try.
Just at the end there.
Okay.
I'm going to take the 160. I'm going to make the antennae for the top of the stick insect. Again, all the way up. Soften it. I'm leaving there about 3 centimetres uninflated.
Right.
Tie it off. So I'm going to divide it in half and form a bubble in the end of that one.
Right. A bubble.
Just simply twist a loop, twist in the middle section of those two antennae
Yep.
to form it. Okay, now take back the body
Right.
and knot the end of this 360 around the loop twist.
Just like that.
That's right. And then to form the antenna and finish it off, I'm simply going to push that knot into this 360 and do a large tulip twist. So push that knot into this balloon.
Right. And do a large tulip twist.
That's right. Grab that huge knot.
Yep.
Now twist.
Twist it.
Wedge it around
Yep.
till you centre it.
Yep.
And that forms the two antennae for the stick insect.
Yeah, it's excellent.
You like it?
Yep.
So now I've got the antennae and the body.
All right.
I need to make the legs. So I'm going to inflate a green 260. Basically right out to the end, leave about 2 centimetres uninflated. Soften,
Right.
tie it off. This time divide the 260 in half. Twist it, find the midpoint, and that forms the legs. Take back the body,
Yeah.
under your shoulder, and leave a bubble about 20 centimetres long for your head. Twist it, and then at the midpoint of your legs, wedge it. Just like that into the body.
Okay.
And finish off the first set of legs, come about halfway down, do a pinch twist.
Right.
And the same, measure against that one so we get the same distance.
Yep.
And do a pinch twist. Bring them into place. That forms your head and two front legs.
Okay. Very long legs.
Well, sticking has long
Yeah.
legs. That's right. Hold that for me.
I'll try.
Okay. Another balloon I've already pre-inflated.
Yep.
Again, in half. Same as the first set of legs. Find the midpoint. Under the shoulder. Grab your stick insect.
Yep.
And come down again about another 25 centimetres. And once again, wedge the 260 into your 360. Once again, I'm going to do a pinch twist about halfway down.
Right.
Same for the other side.
Yep.
Bring them into place at the front.
Yep.
Line them up. So you have 2 sets of legs.
Right. Need some more?
One more set, so hold that for me.
Okay.
You're right. Getting big now and bulky.
It is.
One more balloon I've pre-inflated the same way.
Right.
260. Divide it in half. Under the shoulder. And again about another 25 centimetres.
Yep.
Another twist. And once again, finally wedge it again at the midpoint. And those pinch twists again. Bring them to the front. Then finally take my texture.
Mm-hmm. Put some eyes.
That's right. Always finish off with some
Right.
eyes. Larger eyes, because
Yep.
of proportion.
Yeah, it's a big sculpture.
This is a giant one, isn't it?
It's very big. Yep.
Triangle for the nose. And then a mouth.
And a mouth.
And there is the stick insect. A giant stick insect. What do you think of that?
Yep. You'd probably need help to make this one.
You do. Someone to help hold the balloon as you make it.
Yeah, and you'd really have to stick at it.
That's right. But I find using the bigger balloons has quite an effect. Kids absolutely love it.
Yeah, it's good. Love it.